Percy, guess what I wanna do?
Okay, enlighten me.
I wanna play hopscotch.
Billy, or budgies in a cage. How can we play hopscotch?
I don't know, Percy. I was hoping you'd come up with one of your wacky ideas.
Wacky okay. I don't think it's possible though.
Oh, but I want to. That's such a pity. I'm really bored.
Yeah. Well, there's loads of ties and stuff. Why don't you go play with some of them? They're fun.
Oh, but Percy, toys are dangerous.
Huh? Oh, you mean like Dangerous Percy's, which you sleep half a lot?
Yes, pets are dangerous too.
Only to you, apparently.
Oh, come on, can't you get the humans to make us an hopscotch thing?
How? Humans don't talk with Jurian.
Can't you just signal them or something like you usually do?
Okay, I can try, but, you know, humans, bless them, they're not exactly the brightest of bunch, are they?
Well, no, but please try. I like hopscotch.
Okay, I'll try. Honestly, I will.
You're not going to try, are you?
Nope.
Please.
No.